conflict in marriage. In a quaint, bustling town, Anna and Tom's marriage was a picturesque garden with unseen, sprouting weeds. 4 years into their marriage, they experienced a blend of deep love and minor misunderstandings. Anna, a whirlwind of creativity, saw the world through a kaleidoscope of colors. Tom, a teacher, found joy in the orderly realm of facts. Their love was strong, yet their conversations often misaligned. Anna's words were colorful expressions of her inner world, while Tom's were a labyrinth of silent thoughts. One fateful evening, as the kitchen basked in a gentle glow, Anna excitedly shared her dream. Tom, imagine a space filled with colors, where every painting tells a story. I want to open a gallery, she said, her eyes alive with dreams. Tom, concerned, replied cautiously, "But Anna, have you considered the costs, the risks? It's a big step." His practical tone unintentionally dimmed her excitement. Anna's heart sank, feeling misunderstood. "You always focus on the problems, not the possibilities," she said, her voice tinged with disappointment. Tom, wanting to understand but lost for words, responded, "I just worry about the practical side of things." The air between them grew heavy with unspoken frustrations. A turning point came one Saturday morning. As they shared breakfast, Anna said gently, "Tom, I feel like you're not really seeing my dreams." Her words were a soft plea for understanding. Tom looked at her, a genuine desire to connect in his eyes. "Help me understand, Anna. I want to see your world through your eyes," he responded earnestly. They made a pact that day to improve their communication. Anna began to frame her dreams in a way that Tom could relate to, discussing not just the vision, but also the steps to achieve it. "I've been thinking about the gallery in stages. First, maybe a small exhibition, to test the waters," she proposed one evening. Tom, embracing this new approach, replied thoughtfully, "That sounds like a great idea. Let's look at some potential locations this weekend." His willingness to engage in her world bridged the gap that had formed between them. Their home gradually became a space of mutual respect and understanding. They communicated to understand, not just to reply. Tom's surprise arrangement of Anna's exhibition at a local cafe was a testament to his newfound support for her dreams. Yet their journey wasn't free from challenges. Old habits sometimes resurfaced, but they now knew how to navigate them through compromise and empathy. As time passed, their relationship evolved into a stronger, more understanding bond. Friends and family, noticing the change, often asked about their secret to a harmonious marriage. "We listen, we learn, and we love, every day," Anna would say, sharing a knowing look with Tom. Anna and Tom's story in their little town became a beacon of the power of communication, respect, and adaptability in marriage. Their life together was not just about living happily ever after, but about living, understanding, and growing together day by day.